Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about how to make money doing website flipping. Website flipping involves buying existing websites, improving them through designs, SEO, content and more, and then selling them at a higher price. It is a profitable side business or career for those with a keen eye for undervalued sites and the skills to improve them. Several platforms exist where you can buy and sell websites for profit. Eligibility. To participate in website flipping, you typically need 1. Knowledge of website development and design. You should be able to make improvements to the website you purchase, such as enhancing their content design or SEO. 2. SEO skills. Search engine optimization is crucial for increasing the value of your website. 3. Basic business skills. Negotiating, pricing, and evaluating website are important skills. 4. Initial capital. You will need some initial funds to purchase website, although some platforms allow you to flip website with a little upfront investment if you focus on focus on lower price sites. Websites that pay for website flipping. 1. Flipper. How it works. Flipper is one of the most popular platforms for buying and selling websites. You can list websites you own or buy websites, improve them and resell them for a profit. Eligibility open to anyone, although experience in website development, marketing or SEO is recommended for flipping websites successfully. How much you can make on Flipper. The amount you can make varies widely depending on the quality of the website. Beginner website may be bought for as little as $100, but more established website can be sold for $1,000 to $100,000 plus. Experienced website flipper may earn $2,000 to $10,000 plus per flip. 2. Empire Flipper. How it works. Empire Flipper specializes in buying and selling profitable online businesses, including websites. They vet the websites and businesses listed on their platform to ensure a level of trust. Eligibility. Only experienced website owners and flippers can sell their website there. Buyers can be new or experienced but need a good understanding of the market. How much you can make on Empire Flipper. Website listed on Empire Flippers tend to be more established and profitable. Sites on this platform typically range from $10,000 to $500,000 depending on their revenue, traffic and potential. Profit margins can be significant with flippers earning, earning $5,000 to $50,000 plus per sales. 3. Website broker. How it works. Website broker is another marketplace where you can buy and sell website. The platform allows you to list website, and it also connects buyers with sellers who are interested in buying and flipping their website. Eligibility open to anyone. Website flipping experience is beneficial but not a strict requirement. How much you can make on website broker. The amount varies greatly with website often listed for $500 to $100,000. The potential profit for flipping depends on the website age, traffic and niche. You can make anywhere from $1,000 to $20,000 plus per flip depending on the website quality and the improvement you make. 4. Sido. How it works. Sido is primarily a domain marketplace, but it also allows users to buy and sell websites. Many website flippers start by purchasing domain, developing website and then flipping them. Eligibility open to anyone, although knowledge of website development and domain names can be beneficial. How much you can make. How much you can make on Sido. Domain flipping through Sido can range from $50 to $10,000 per domain. While developed website can be sold for more depending on traffic and revenue. Flipper who specialize in high quality domain and website can make $2,000 to $30,000 plus per flip. 5. Motion Invest. How it works. Motion Invest allow you to buy and sell established websites, particularly smaller ones. The platform focuses on niche websites with steady income stream, making it a great choice for beginner flipper. Eligibility open to anyone, but experience in buying and selling website will increase your chance of success. How much you can make on Motion Invest. Smaller websites listed here range from $2,000 to $30,000, and buyers often look for websites with a consistent stream of income. Flipper can potentially make $1,000 to $10,000 per sale depending on the improvement they make. Biz buy sale, how it work. Biz buy sale is another platform for buying and selling all type of businesses, including online businesses and websites. You can search for websites to buy and flip them for profit, or list your website for sale. Eligibility open to anyone, but experience in website development, online business and digital market is helpful for success. How much you can make on Biz buy sale? On Biz buy sale, website and online business on Biz buy sale can range from $10,000 to $500,000 plus, depending on the site earning and growth potential. You can earn anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000 plus per sale. 7. Flipping Enterprises, how it work. Flipping Enterprises is a platform that focuses specifically on buying and selling websites. They offer service to help you identify undervalued websites that you can buy, improve and flip for profit. Eligibility open to anyone with experience in website flipping. The platform provides guidance on finding websites with good ROI potential. How much you can make on flipping enterprises? The profit potential varies, but most website lists here range from $1,000 to $50,000. By improving sites and flipping them, you can make $2,000 to $20,000 per flip. 8. Buy sell website, how it works. Buy and sell website is a platform that allows users to buy and sell website. You can either purchase underperforming website to flip, or list your website for sale after you have improved them. Eligibility open to anyone, but knowledge of website is helpful. Knowledge of website flipping is helpful. How much you can make on buy sell website. Website price varies, and website listed on buy sell website typically range from $500 to $30,000. The potential profit from flipping depends on the website quality, and you can expect to make $1,000 to $15,000 per flip. 9. Deal flows, how it works. Deal flows connects investor with profitable website and online business for sale. It is a marketplace where you can find website to buy, improve and sell. Eligibility open to anyone, though a solid understanding of website flipping, online businesses and SEO is essential for success. How much you can make on deal flow. Website listed on deal flow can range from $5,000 to $100,000. By purchasing undervalued sites, making improvement and flipping them, you can earn $2,000 to $25,000 plus per flip. How much you can make? Website flipping can be highly profitable, but your earning depends on the quality of the website, or on the quality of website you flip, your experience, and how much time and effort you put into improving them. Here is an estimate of potential earning. Flipper website listed range from $100 to $100,000 plus. Earning per flip can range from $1,000 to $10,000 plus, depending on the site. 2. Empire Flipper website typically range from $10,000 to $500,000. Profit can range from $5,000 to $50,000 per flip. 3. Website Broker often range from $500 to $100,000. You can make $1,000 to $20,000 plus per flip. Sido domains and website can range from $50 to $10,000 plus, with flipper potentially making $2,000 to $30,000 plus. Motion Invest website generally range from $2,000 to $30,000, and you can earn $1,000 to $10,000 per flip. Biz buy sell website can range from $10,000 to $500,000 plus, and flipper can earn $5,000 to $50,000 plus per sales. Flipping enterprises website typically range from $1,000 to $50,000. You can earn $2,000 to $20,000 per flip. Buy sell website range from $500 to $30,000, and flipper can expect to make $1,000 to $15,000 per flip. Deal flows website range from $5,000 to $100,000, with potential earning from $2,000 to $25,000 per flip. Tip for maximizing earning: focus on undervalued sites. Look for websites with potential for improvement, such as a low traffic but high quality content or website with outdated design that could be improved. That could be improved. Two, learn SEO. Improving the SEO of your website can increase its traffic and value. Three, increase revenue. Find a way to improve the monetization of the site, ADS, affiliate marketing, product sales, etc. 4. Invest in quality website. Higher quality website tend to provide better returns when flipped. Conclusion: website flipping can be a lucrative business if you have the right skills and strategy. By buying undervalued website, improving them and reselling them for a profit, you can generate a significant income. Platforms like Flipper, Empire Flipper, and Motion Invest provide excellent opportunity for website flippers with potential to earn anywhere from $1,000 to $50,000 plus per flip, depending on the website quality and improvement made. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. Thank you.